Hey everyone, welcome back to Dezola Designs, you guys. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. I spent my weekend very busy crocheting this gorgeous cowl, scarf, infinity scarf, whatever you want it to be, really. I'm working on the tutorial right now. This tutorial will be out this week, very soon. Hobie has me very busy, you guys. This is one of the projects. I really like it. This is called Hobie Japandi, and it is, I like wearing my scarves like this. I personally love infinity scarves, and I know that's not really the thing right now, but I love it close to my neck. If you want to make this, you can, of course, make it into a scarf, you know, whatever you like, but I like mine like this, so we'll just keep it like that. Anyway, this is going to be, the crochet tutorial will be available to my channel members, we'll say by Friday. I'm calling this my Sierra scarf. Again, it could be a cowl, it could be a scarf, or it could be an infinity scarf. Whatever you choose to make is up to you. I like having my tutorials like that. You guys, today I'm going to give away 3 skeins of paint box yarn. I actually found this. This was in my basement. I have a couple of bins of yarn and I was going through them and I found this in the bag. So I'm like, oh, this would be a really good giveaway. There's 3 in the giveaway today. They're really pretty colors. First, a couple of other side notes. If you guys want to get a jump on your Christmas making, holiday making, whatever you want to making, I do have this pattern. This crochet tutorial is finished. This would be cute in Halloween colors. I need to make one in Halloween colors, and I need to make one in Thanksgiving colors. Again, it's a placemat. It's called the Festive Fans placemat, and I have finished the crochet tutorial. It's right up here. Again, it's available to channel members. All of my crochet tutorials and crochet patterns from Hobie, I have to charge just because I'm under contract with them. So channel members are really going to be very excited because all of my Hobie projects will be available to channel members. Check it out, you guys. You can become a member, $5.99 and up. Pretty soon there's going to be several crochet tutorials on there, like this one. This one, again, is my festive fan, or not festive fans, I just talked about that. This one is my face lace. I love this. Yes, it does have a wine stain right there. I actually used it a couple weekends back. I forgot about that. You guys see that? Oops. I used this as part of my table display for my daughter's 16th birthday. So anyway, this is the face lace pattern. I absolutely love it. This is now available through Hobie.com, and the pattern is for sale, you guys. I'm so excited to bring this to you guys. They like my patterns, and that is really an accomplishment for me. So I am so excited about that. If you guys would like to check out the pattern, I will have the link up here. I will also have all of my links down below so you guys can check it out, or in the description box if you guys are on a mobile. I think the description box is on either side. Anyway, face lace and festive fans. And then the next one will be, I think I'm gonna call this one the Sierra scarf. I really like, I love. I love the yarn. I use the Pearly Haze yarn. It's so beautiful. So anyway, check it out, you guys. I'm also just started working on a blanket pattern. I was going to make granny squares, but I totally trashed that idea. I'm now making a blanket. It's kind of a pretty cool pattern. I actually found it from the actual pattern from a book from the early 2000s. I have all kinds of books, you guys. Anyway, be on the lookout for that. I will start doing that on my lives. Lives this week, you guys, this Tuesday and Friday, 11 a.m. Pacific time. Check it out. We've been having really, really good fun on my lives. Let's get to the giveaway. This giveaway is fabulous paint box yarn. If you guys have never used paint box yarn, it is premium yarn. It's absolutely super, super gorgeous. I love it. This is the Chunky Pots. Look at how pretty that is. It's so beautiful, you guys. Each skein is 297.5 yards. It's 100% acrylic. It is a 5 weight, and this color is called Fairy Tale. And you have all of the beauty, the white and the salmon pink and the dark grays, really, really pretty colors. What do you guys have to do to win this yarn? All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, and then you have to answer the following question. Again, you get 3 of these. I don't want to take these out of the bag. 3 of these, 297 yards, so almost 900 yards of yarn. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and all you have to do is answer the following question. This weekend, I also was transplanting plants right before they go into dormancy, and my husband and I there was a plant that I've been neglecting, and it was kind of leaning over. So he said, you know, you need to take care of your indoor plants as well as you take care of your outdoor plants. And I'm like, yeah, you're absolutely right. I have a ton of plants, especially in the kitchen, that we have like one of those bay windows, and I have so many plants. I'm always like cutting them and making cuttings and then putting more plants, so it's even more and more plants as the years go on. So here's my question to you. Do you guys have house plants? It's a really easy question. Just answer it. I do. I have a lot of house plants, especially in my kitchen area and my front room. I have a monstera that needs it needs to be divided, and I'm thinking about that. But anyway, let me know down below. Let me know if your houseplants are out of control. Mine aren't that bad. I mean, I don't think, but you know, whatever. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for being here with me. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I have to finish this so you can see the loose ends. Anyway, you guys, thanks so much for being here with me. Good luck. Just answer the question down below in the comment section, and you will be entered to win these 3 skeins of beautiful paint box yarn. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we will talk to each other in the next video. Bye.